Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. Guys, in today's session, we are going to learn one of the most important section in your SBI Clerk examination is reasoning. So I'm going to cover all the 35 questions in this video. And I already completed a couple of videos for your SBI Clerk examinations. If you miss any videos, just check it out. All those videos available on my channel. And everyone, like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of aspirants. And share this information to your friends, guys who are preparing for different competitive examinations. Definitely, our content will help their preparation, guys. So, without any delay, we'll start our session. Now, guys, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Now, here the question is related for coding and decoding concept. So, without any delay, we'll start. Now, see the first one here, raise. Guys, understand. So just try to remember all the alphabetical positions. R is 18, A is 1, I 9, S 19, A 5. Is coded as S, B, J, T, F. F is 6, T 20, J 10, B 2, S 19. Now you can able to understand the pattern, guys. Each and every letter is shifted one position. So that is the pattern you can understand from this question, guys. This is the pattern. Now the question, so how we can code it as, how will flown be coded in the same code? F-L-O-W-N. So you already know that F is the sixth letter. Now we need seventh letter. Seventh letter is Z. L12. Now we need M. So that's a 13 letter exactly. So O is 15. 16th letter is P. W after X 24th letter. And you already know the W is 23, 14 and O is the 15th letter. Now you are going to choose your option is GMPXO. So that's a suitable answer. Next, move to the next question. Now here question related for distance concept, distance and directions. Now see, there is a starting from point X. Joy walked 15 meters towards west. Guys, towards west. From point X towards west. Covered 15 meters. And turn left and walk at 20 meters. Turn left, walk at 20 meters. Anti-clockwise direction. Guys, irrespective of any facing, clockwise is right, anti-clockwise is left. Now see, he took another left turn, again anti-clockwise, and walked 15 meters. So that is exactly same point as X. After which he took a right turn, clockwise direction, and covered another 12 meters. Covered another 12 meters. Now here the question, how far Joy is from point X and he faces north direction. They clearly mentioned that. So whatever the end point, Joy is facing towards the north direction. So how much distance between point X and end point? So it's a simply 20 plus 12 is equal to 32. Guys, if you are interested, you can go through the diagram. Otherwise, just form an equation. I will tell you the equation method also. Now here, initially X moving towards west by 15 meters. It's a 15 meters of west. He turns left side. So guys, what is the left side of west? So left side of west is south and covered 20 meters. Next one. He took another left turn. So what is the left turn of south? South left turn is east. South left turn is east. Again covered 15 meters. After he which take right turn. So again the person is moving south and covered 12 meters. Now finally that person is moving like facing towards the north. While compare this equation, guys, if you see opposite direction, you can cancel that value. That resultant is 0. If the direction is same, add that value. So, if you add those two numbers, it becomes 32. Just check this question. Now, in a class of 40 students, Saurabh rank is 8th from top. Saurabh rank is exactly 8th from top. It means you should understand that above Saurabh, 12 people. And Mamata is 5 ranks below Saurabh. Now, if you take 4 people between Mamata and Saurabh. Why? Because they clearly mentioned that Mamata is exactly 5 places below Saurabh. Now, if you go through this calculation, guys, so total information is all about 13. So after Mamata, how many people are there? After Mamata, they have 27 people. Why? Because sum of all the number of students is exactly equal to 40. Another question, what is the Mamata's rank from bottom? So after Mamata, there are 27 people. We should include Mamata also. That's why. So position from bottom end is exactly equal to 28. Let's check this question. Now, if it is possible to make one meaningful word from 4th, 6th, 9th, 11th letter in the word. Now, see 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, we have to pick 4th letter. What is the 4th letter here? T. And 6th letter M. And 9th letter A. And 11th letter E. With the help of these 4 letters, try to form one meaningful word, guys. We need meaningful word. Then the second letter of that, see, if you get only one particular word, you have to consider second letter of that left is your answer. If you know such word can be formed, then then your answer is X. If more than one such word can be formed, then your answer should be Y. Now, with the help of these 4 letters, what are the different words you can get? Meet, MEAT. Next one, TEAM. Next one, TAME. MATE. Guys, with the help of those 4 letters, we can form 4 different words. So you are getting more than one word. If you get more than one word, you are going to choose your option is Y. Next. On to the next question. Now, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word production? In the word production. Each of which has as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabetical. Now, see, you should understand this information in this way. If you observe that, for example, in between P and R, if in between P and R, so how many letters are there generally? So between P and R, there is a one letter in English alphabetical. But if you observe that there is a no letter between P and R in this given word, so never consider as a word. So remember that if number of letters between the two letters in the given word is exactly equal to number of letters between the English alphabetical, which is same, then you have to consider that as a pair. Let me tell you, see, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. No letter is matched. Next, after R, R, S, T, U. Guys, you can get that, see. Between R and U, in English alphabetical, there is a two letters. In this word, between R and U is also two letters. Then we have to consider that is a pair. Now, you cannot see again that repeated letter. After O, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. No letter is matched. D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Next one. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. C, D, E, F, G. S, T, U, V. So you can't see any letters in the forward. You will go for reverse. N, O. So this is one pair, guys. N, O is one pair. So after O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. No letters is matched. So after O not possible. Just check with I. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. No letter is matched. Go for T. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. C, D, E, F, G, H. U, V, W, X, Y. D, E, F, G. Guys, you can't see any number of pairs in the given word. That's why if you go through this information, you will get two pairs. Next. Just go through this arrangement. A, D, E, F, G, E, F, H, J, K are sitting in a straight line. All are facing north. Now here see, here total number of persons are 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. All are facing north. Right side people, left side people. Now see, D is fourth to the right of A. Guys, you should understand that if you place A, D should be sit exactly right of A. Why? Because D is fourth right of A. Exactly fourth position means you can say that there are 3 people between A and D. Now E sits one of the extreme end of the line. Guys, E should be sits extreme end of the line. Either it can be left side or right side. So there are 5 persons between E and K. Guys, there are 5 persons between E and K. Then you understand that statement carries total number of people are 7. So we can understand that both should be sits at exactly extreme end. J sits third to the left of K. Guys, we need J is the left of K. We can confirm that K must sit right end only. If you place left end, you cannot place J. Now you can confirm J 1, 2, 3 exactly third position. You can place it as J. Now D sits fourth to the right of A. Guys, this information carries 5 people. Now we can conclude here A 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly fourth position. You can place it as D. Go through the last data here. F is not immediate neighbor of D. So you can confirm this is F. Hope you understand. So this is the easiest set. Now there is one alphabetical is left. You can confirm here H. Now guys, let's see these questions. Answer all these questions, guys. I will note down here or entire arrangement. Now you already know that right and left hand. Another question. How many persons sit between A and H? Guys, how many persons sit between A and H? 2 people. Which of the following represents the person sits exactly in the middle of the line? Who sits exactly middle in the line? According to our arrangement, J sits exactly middle in the line. Now you guys are tell me one is different than other. Let's call this question is odd one out. You just tell me which pair is completely different than other. AF adjacent to each other, JH adjacent to each other, EA adjacent to each other, DK adjacent to each other, FH is not adjacent to each other. Then you can see that is completely different pair. Now see the last one. What is the position of F with respect to H? F with respect to H. Guys, we need F with respect to H. According to arrangement, F is left of H. So which left exactly? Second to the left. So F is second to the left of H. Hope it's clear. Go through this information. Now see, if both the first and last elements are vowel, guys, first, last, if both are vowels, the codes for vowels are to be interchanged. So here the condition says that you have to interchange those two codes. Next one. Condition 2 says that if group of the elements containing a single vowel, if it is a single vowel in the entire given word, that vowel to be coded as code of the element following it. You should take that code as following that letter. Next, third one, if the second element is a vowel, okay, they are talking about second element is a vowel and fifth element is a consonant, then the vowel is coded as code for the consonant. Okay, if you understand those 3 conditions, just go through this question. Now, question number 1 satisfy which of the following condition? Observe carefully. Now see, if you observe the entire word, you can able to see there is only one vowel. There is only one vowel. If you get only one vowel, you have to code to the next letter code. Next letter code means U code must be depends on N code only. They clearly mentioned that the vowel is to be coded as code of the element following it. So which letter is following here? So here N is a following. Is it clear? Now, what is the code for P? According to the table, P must be 3. So, we need 3. Now, X here. X is coded as 9. Now, here U. So, U is coded. So, U coded is completely based on N only. That's why following code you have to take. So, don't take U code. You have to take N code. So, we need 2 ones. Next one, C code. Code of C is 7. Code of M. So, what is the code of M? Jollo. Now, check the option, guys. 39117 Jollo. So, option 4. So just go through this information. If second element is vowel and fifth element is a consonant. Yes, second element is a vowel and fifth element is a consonant. Now it satisfies condition 3. Now, what is the condition 3? The vowel is to be coded as code for the consonant. Now, you have to take consonant code for vowel. Now, for example, what is the code for D? 6. E code should be replaced with a Z code. Now, you have to take percentage. What about H? Copyright. A coded for 4. Again, Z you have to consider as percentage. Finally, N. So, what is the N code here? 1. So, this is the option we required. We need two percentage symbols. Now here 6% is copyright, 4% is 1. Suitable answer is 5. Now see this question number 3. So guys, if you observe all these letters, it is not satisfy condition number 1 and condition number 2 and condition number 3. This is no condition. You can able to see all these conditions, guys. That's why I am taking all these questions in a single slide. So no condition is satisfied. If there is a no condition, according to the code language, you have to consider the element. So M. What is the code language for M? Jollo. H. Copyright. C. 7, Y 5, B 8, G question mark. Now check here 8 copyright. Oh, sorry, first we have a joller, then copyright 7, 5, 8 question mark. Suitable answer is 1. It's all about your understanding. Once you understand this condition, you have to recognize in the given question which condition is satisfy the information. Next. See this inequalities question. In which of the following expression will the expression h less than j is definitely true? We need h less than j is definitely true. If we check this condition, you will get h is greater than or equal to j. It's a wrong. If we check this condition, you will get h is greater than j. So we need h is greater than j. But according to the condition, h is less than j. So 2 is also wrong. Next one. So it satisfies the condition j is greater than h. If j is greater than h, we can conclude that h is less than j. So our equation number 3 satisfies this condition. Next. Now, so in this equation, which condition satisfy, which option satisfy our condition? Now, n less than or equal to k, n less than or equal to k. If you go through the condition, k is greater than or equal to n, k greater than or equal to n, can says that n is less than or equal to k. Yes, condition 1 is satisfied. Okay, sorry. Here k is less than n. K is less than n means it's invalid. Sorry for that. Why? Because we have priority always goes for greater only. K is equal to m is wrong, k less than n, k is greater than n is a wrong. So it is also wrong. Why? Because it's an exact relation you will get from the equation. So all are wrong, so none is true. So you should observe this symbol, guys. That's a priority. Next. So which one is definitely true in this expression? Q to K. So K is less than Q. K less than Q reflects that Q is greater than K. That's why it's invalid again. M is greater than. If you get two different symbols in the comparison, you never define with any exact relation. M less than Q. It is also invalid. T is equal to M. It is also invalid. Again, its answer none is true. Next. Now W less than or equal to Z. W less than or equal to Z. Guys, so Z is greater than or equal to W. Z is greater than or equal to W means W is less than or equal to Z. Yes, it satisfies our condition. Guys, it's a satisfy condition, but according to the question, may not be a true. May not be a true. We need to identify the true one. Which of the following expression may not be true if the expression is okay? Expression is definitely true. If expression is definitely true, then you will get the relation Z is greater than means W is less than or equal to Z. Now we will go for x is greater than or equal to z. X is greater than or equal to z is a invalid, guys. You never get relation between x and z. Why? Because you can able to see two different symbols between the elements. If you have any two different symbols, you never get exact relation. Guys, just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. Hope you understand the approach for inequalities questions. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. Which expression satisfy this condition? Next. Go through the syllabus. No post is mail. All mail are letter. All mail are letter. Some posts are office. Some posts are office. Conclusion. Some office are letter, guys. Some office are letter. You can't see direct relation in the picture. If you have a direct relation, then all and some is always valid one. Invalid. No letter is a post, guys. No letter is a post. We can able to say some letter can be a post. We can able to say all post can be a letter. So we have a relation that. So invalid. Guys, observe that we never get any similar wordings, guys. See, if the words are completely different, no need to verify either or cases. Office, letter, post. So your answer must be neither nor. If objects which are similar in the given conclusions, you should verify the complementary pair. So we have a three complementary pairs: no comma some comma some not, no comma some not. If it satisfy any of these complementary pair, then you have to choose your option is either or. Next. All numbers are digits. Some digits are letter. All letter are alphabet. All letter are alphabet. Now all numbers are alphabet, guys. Number and alphabet, we can't find any direct relation, invalid. Some alphabet are digit. Some alphabet are digit. You can able to see minimum overlapping. So conclusion 2 is valid. Next. Some cells are tissues. All tissues are bones. No bone is ligament. Ligament. Now conclusion, no ligament is a shell. Guys, we can able to assume a relation between ligament and cell. Some cell can be a ligament, all ligament can be a cell, some ligament can be a cell. So we have a relation between those objects. That's why no relation is invalid relation. At least some, guys, we need direct relation. Bone and cell. Some bones are cell. Some bones are cell. Yes, we have a minimum overlapping in the question. Conclusion 2 is always valid. And this is for you guys. Hope you understand the approach for syllogism questions. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. Now, look into this question. All metals are plastic. All plastic are cloth. All cloth are thread. All metals are thread. All metals are thread. Yes, we can see all metal into the thread. So valid. All plastic are thread. All plastic is also thread. Guys, remember that if arrow is moving towards outside, all and some both are valid. Outside arrow. If arrow is moving inside, if the arrow is moving inside, now sum is always valid. Guys, if arrow is moving outside, all plus sum both conditions are valid. If arrow is moving towards each side, only some condition is valid. Next. Now go through this information. Now which relation exactly indicates P is the east of Q? They are represented with the direction in each and every symbol. Now just look into this picture. If you draw the picture, we need a information between P and Q. Here minus is represented west, plus is represented north. If you draw the picture, you will get P is northwest of Q. You will get this information, guys. So this is invalid diagram for our condition. Is it clear? Now go through the next one here. Again P to Q. P to Q, guys. Here positive symbol. Positive means it's a north. And negative symbol again south. and P again. So P is represented west. Guys, north and south still you will get P is the west of Q. So but we are not sure, guys. Why? Because we are unable to locate S exactly. Why? Because we don't know the exact distance between the R and S. So answer is cannot be determined. If you have any question, guys, I will draw the picture here. So here Q is north of R. R is south of S. S you can place here. S you can place here. S you can place here. Now P is west of S. So you can place P here. You can place P here. You can place P here. Now you will get, see, this is not exact possible. You will get minus represented west, guys. Sorry. P is the west of Q. Now based on the S, we can able to fix the P. But we are unable to fix the S. That's why we cannot unable to fix the P also. That's why answer cannot be determined. So you never get relation exactly from second one. Again, see here percentage symbol represented east, minus is represented west, east and west. Guys, if you draw the picture, P is the east of A, P is the east of A. Next one, A is the west of Q, A is the west of Q. So again, we are not sure with the Q's position. You can place anywhere, still it's a cannot be determined. Why? Because if you know the distance, then we can able to locate that position, guys. That's why it is also invalid. Now fourth one is also invalid. You never get exact relation from the picture, so answer cannot be determined, guys. See one more. So here the question S is in which direction with respect to Q. Now here see percentage. What is percentage stands for here? Percentage is east. Next one. So if you want the picture, I will tell you the picture also. F is the east of Q. F is the east of Q. Here minus what is plus stands for? North. So here next information is all about north. Now who is north? Q is the north. Q is the north of R. Q is the north of R. Q is the north of R. R minus S. What is minus? R is the west. R is the west of S. R is the west of S. Now the question. In which direction S with respect to Q? S with respect to Q. If you observe the information, guys, so you can find the relation between the objects. Guys, see, the arrow is moving in this direction. If arrow is moving in this direction, then answer must be southwest. So we have this information west and opposite of north become which direction? South. Why? Because we have to identify the relation from S with respect to Q. S with respect to Q. S is the southwest of Q. Next. See, this is a circular arrangement question. So total there are 8 people, all of facing towards the center. Towards the center. D is exactly sit between J and F. Okay, D is exactly sit between J and F. J is second left of F. J is second left of F. You can confirm F. J is the second left of F. End. So end is always talking about J only. J is the second right of B. J is the second right of B. You can confirm B here. H is the third left of G. H is the third left of G. If you place, guys, third left we require. No, you already know that it's a left side. So H is the third left of G. If you place G here, 1, 2, 3, it's already filled. So this is not position. If you place G here, 1, 2, 3, it's already filled. Guys, these 3 positions are not suitable for G. Why? H. Why? Because if you place H, you can confirm with a G. That's why these positions are not at all suitable. Now, if you confirm G here, H is the third left. First left, second left, third left. You can confirm H. A is not an eyebrow of B. You can confirm A. So, one alphabetical is left. That says C. Now, just go through all these questions. Now, see this question. H as F, J as H as F, H and F. Okay. Then we are talking about J. Guys, if you observe that it's a left side. If you move on to that left side, now you have to place B. Next one. How many people sit between G and H? Guys, how many people sit between G and H? You have to count anti-clockwise direction from G. Anti-clockwise direction from G. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Now, if all the persons made to sit in alphabetical order in an anti-clockwise direction starting from A. Okay, from anti-clockwise direction. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and this is A. Now, remains C. The position of A. So, you should exclude A. It will be remains unchanged as compared to the original seating position. So, which one is unchanged? C is unchanged. Now, again J. And so, remaining all are not changed, guys. Only one position is unchanged. So, answer 1. Last information. Which of the following pairs is second person sitting immediate left of first person? We need immediate left. Second person is immediate left of first person. So J is immediate left of G. J is immediate left of G. Guys, it's a wrong. Why? Because J is the immediate right of G. F A. A is the right of F. H. H is the immediate left of C. It satisfies that condition. Next. On to this data. Go through this information. Now see, according to these numbers, if 1 is added to the last digit of each of the number, 3, 4, 7, 6, 2, 7, 9, 2, 6, 4, 5, 9, 18, 27, 7, 5, 3, 5. Then how many numbers thus formed will the last digit is perfect square? Guys, you can able to see there is a last digit is perfect square is 9. So you will get only one number according to that condition. But whatever the question you are going to solve in this particular model, you have to consider these numbers only. Don't change the numbers, guys. Next. If the first and third digit of each and every numbers are interchanged, then what will be the sum of the second digit of the lowest number and third digit of the highest number? Okay, now you have to interchange the numbers. So it's a value of 7, 4, 3, 5. According to that information, 1 and 3 is interchanged. Next one, 9, 7, 2, 1. Here 5, 4, 6, 8. Here 2, 8, 1, 6. Here 3, 5, 7, 4. Now the question here, sum of the second digit of lowest number, guys. What is the lowest number out of all these numbers? This is the lowest number. So you have to consider the second digit. And third digit of highest number. So what is the highest number? 9721. So you have to consider the third digit. Now you have to identify the sum of this value. What is the sum of this value? Is 10. Next. What will be the resultant if second digit of the highest number is subtracted from third digit of second lowest number? First second digit of highest number. What is the highest number here? 7534. You have to pick the second value is 5. Is subtracted from third digit of second lowest. So first is, this is first lowest and this is the second lowest. You have to consider the third digit. Now the difference. It's all about your understanding. Once you understand the data, you can able to solve this question, guys. Next one. If all the digits in each and every number are arranged in descending order from left to right, descending order. Now, which of the following is sum of all the 4 digit of number which is third highest in the new arrangement? Descending order. 7543, 9721, 8654, 8621. Next one, 7543. If you observe all these numbers, you have to identify that what is the third highest number. So this is first highest, second highest, and third highest. This is the third highest. Now you have to pick the third highest number. You have to add all these numbers. So total sum value is 17. Next. Guys, everyone just like our video and share this information with your friends, guys. Next one. The letters in the protein are rearranged in a such a way that consonants are arranged alphabetically and the vowels are arranged alphabetically. Now here word protein, P-R-O-T-E-I-N. So this is the word. You have to arrange according to the data. So according to the data, see, you have to rearrange in a such a way that the consonants are arranged alphabetically. Now see, what are the consonants here? P, R, T, N. So if you observe these four letters, first letter is N. Next letter is P. Next letter is R. Next letter is T. You have to arrange in alphabetical order. And the same also vowels O, E, I. First letter is E. Next letter is I. And last letter is O. You are done with your understanding, guys. Another question. How many letters will be there between R and I after the arrangement? R and I. Only two. Which of the following will be the third right after rearrangement? Third right. From here, this is right hand 1, 2, 3. Third right is exactly equal to E. So you can't see that option. Choose none of this. And this is for you guys. Hope you understand this model. Just try to understand this information and solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Out of all the 35 questions, I just leave 3 questions for you. Try to solve those questions and post your answer in the comment section. Guys, once you're done with my session, I will update PDF in my Telegram channel. So if you want the Telegram, search simply V2VVK. You can get my Telegram and download this material. And once again, just try to solve all those questions. You can be able to understand what are the different models are there. And I already covered many videos for your SBI Clerk examinations. Go through all those videos before your exam. Definitely our content will help your preparation, guys. And follow us in the Instagram. Search Vision to Victory. You will get my channel. And I will update every notification in my Telegram and Instagram. Follow us and support us. We are always come up with a new content, guys. And advance Happy New Year. I wishing you all the best for your SBI Clerk examinations. Definitely you will achieve all your dreams in the next year. So we are always ready to serve you guys. If you have any queries, feel free to reach us. We are always there for you to take your queries. I will give best answers for whatever your query. So only one thing I am expecting from your end, just share this information with your friends and like our video. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.